Dusty Baker is flying an Estes Broadsword. This is 2.6 inches in diameter and 39 inches long. The red-black rocket is going up on an F-24 with chute recovery. Dusty, are you ready? All right, on 1-7, we're going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, there we go. Very nice, and separated, chute is out. Nice flight. We're going to watch that one, but range is open. Alright, that's going to come down on the east side of the flight line. Maybe right in the middle of the road. Keep an eye on that. And it's down.
Go and hit your car or something.